Alright, we're taking a look at a Glock 19, which is a 9mm compact, so it's one size down from the full-size Glock 17. This one is running 10-8 sights in the rear, and this one's a Dawson Precision up front. And then we've got a Glock 23 that is the 40 caliber version of this one, a compact, but it's got a 9mm conversion barrel from Storm Lake. And this one's a Dawson Precision front and a 10-8 rear. That makes for a pretty nice sight picture. This one also has been configured to have the 9mm ejector in there, which works a little better with the conversion barrel. We're just going to shoot 5 rounds out of each at a target here that's at 5 yards. And we'll see which ones are more accurate. Well, there's the target. I'm not going to be able to focus in because it's in the shade, but I'll go ahead and shoot here. And I'm not going to be able to do point of view. It's just not going to work against the dark target in the shade here today, but you can see what the sight picture's like. I'm just aiming at I'll aim at that back far target there. You can see that's what the sight picture would look like. I guess I'll go ahead and try to zoom out to the target since I can do that. I put one hole out there so far. I'm not shooting great today, but now we'll switch over to this side with the Glock 19, and I'll shoot at that square there. Shot a little better with that one, but definitely off to the left. But I can't say I shot great with either of these today, especially for 5 yards. Well, I really wanted to do a point of view one here. Couldn't do it with the shade, but that's the Glock 19